Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Holy cow, I got a monster under my bed. Well, this is actually perfect for the subject that I have today. If you have monsters under your bed, it's probably time for a new mattress, right? And you're probably asking yourself, what's the difference between a cheap and an expensive mattress? Well, you just tuned into the right channel. I'm going to show you guys what the difference is. So, we have a cheap mattress here. This actually goes for $229 in a queen. It has what's called a hand tie inner spring. You see here, these inner springs are all tied together, and if I move over here, the side over here is going to be wobbling as well. You can see my zombie. If I push over here, zombie, you feel that, zombie? So that's the biggest difference here. We have a very cheap inner spring. We have very little comfort features here. We have no features here to give you a cooling properties to keep you sleeping cool at night. This is just throw it in your bedroom, go to sleep, and hopefully you sleep all night. Now, expensive mattress. We're talking $3,000 for a very expensive mattress here. But as you can see with my example, the big difference is we have a much better advanced support system. This is called a pocket coil. So it has individualized support at each coil. So if my zombie lays here, can you feel that, Mr. Zombie? See how he's not moving? Pretty cool, right? And then it has much more advanced memory foams at top to help you fall asleep faster. Cooling properties, cool to the touch, keeps you sleeping at that optimum temperature. There's a whole other bunch of different features here, but ultimately you can see, look at the profiles here. We got two vastly different mattresses, and that's one of the main differences between cheap and expensive. So thank you for tuning in with Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. See you guys next week.